Good morning, students. Okay, very good morning. How are you? Okay, all of you fine. Now, welcome to KRL Memorial CBSE School, Mudhor. I am your English teacher. My name is Geeta Mantu. This is third standard class. Subject English. Subject English. Okay. Listen here students, in previous class means yesterday we will start one of the interesting poem. Which poem? Again gorilla. Again gorilla. Okay, yesterday we will start this poem and we will learn difficult words also. Okay, now in this class we will learn this poem. Okay, who is the poet of this poem? Who is the poet of this poem? Yes, Martin Honeysett is the poet of this poem. Martin Honeysett. Okay, Martin Honeysett. Okay, now all of you open your textbook, page number 70. Page number 70. Okay. I hope now all of you open your textbook. So now I will start the poem. Again gorilla. What is the meaning of again? What is the meaning of again? See here students, are you see the gorillas? Are you see the gorillas? Okay, some of the students see the gorillas in pictures of films. Okay, some of the students see the zoo. Okay, when they go to that time some of the students see the gorilla. Okay, now we will start the poem. Again gorilla. Again means big size. A big size. Okay, a big size gorilla called again gorilla. Okay, again gorilla. I hope now all of you open your textbook. So, again gorilla came to tea. Again gorilla came to tea. Whoever asked him? Question. Whoever asked him? It wasn't me. It wasn't me. He came in through the kitchen wall. He came in through the kitchen wall. It took 6 chairs. Sit him all. It took 6 chairs to sit him all. He drank his tea straight from the pot. He drank his tea straight from the pot, and sandwiches he ate the lot. He poked the jellies to make them ubble. What is the meaning of poked? Poked means pushed with his fingers or move with the fingers. Okay. The jellies to make them ubble. Ubble means to move from side to side. To move from side to side. Then swallowed them with just one gubble. Gubble means gurgling sound. Swallow means ನುಂಗುವುದು. ಓಕೆ, ನುಂಗುವುದು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಊಟ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗಾಯ್ತೋ ಹಂಗೆ ನುಂಗಿ ಬಿಡೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಸ್ವ್ಯಾಲೋ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. All that remained on the plate was the cake. There was nothing else for him to take. When he had eaten, I showed him the door and hoped he did go now. There was no more. Instead, he ate the door as well. That great gorilla, instead, he ate the door as well, except for the knocker and the bell. After that he at last decided to go. Who invited him? I did like to know. Who invited him? I did like to know. Okay. A Ghent gorilla came to tea. See here, students. This is a Ghent gorilla. Okay. This is a Ghent gorilla. That Ghent gorilla came to tea. Whoever asked him? Together asked one of the child. See this child. Okay. This child asked this question. Whoever asked him? Whoever asked him? It wasn't me. Yes, it wasn't me. Okay. He came in through the kitchen wall. That Ghent gorilla came the kitchen wall. Okay, see this picture. That Ghent gorilla came the kitchen wall. Okay. Next, that kitchen wall was broken. Okay, that Ghent gorilla broken the wall and come to through the kitchen wall. Okay. It took 6 chairs to seat him all. That Ghent gorilla took the 6 chairs. How much? 6. Took the 6 chairs to sit him all. Okay, see this picture. Okay, that Ghent gorilla took the 6 chairs and sit all. Okay, sit all. Then he drank his tea. He drank his tea straight from the pot, and sandwiches he ate the lot. He poked the jellies to make them bubble, then swallowed them with just one bubble. See here, that Ghent gorilla drank his tea from the straight from the pot. We are also drink the tea, but we will use cup. Okay, small cups. But that Ghent gorilla uses pot. Okay. Next, and sandwiches he ate the lot. That Ghent gorilla ate the lot sandwiches. Okay. He poked the jellies to make them bubble. That Ghent gorilla poked the jellies to make them bubble. Okay. Next, then swallowed them with just one bubble. That Ghent gorilla swallowed all the things in one bubble. Okay, just one bubble. All that remained on the plate was the cake. All that remained on the plate was the cake. See here, when that Ghent gorilla complete eating, that Ghent gorilla involved complete eating, the plate was the cake. Only remained the plate was the cake only. Okay, see this picture. Okay, remained only the plate was cake. Okay. The cake, there was nothing else for him to take. There was nothing. Everything is empty. Okay, there was nothing else for him to take. Then when he had eaten, and that Ghent gorilla complete his eaten, I showed him the door. That child says, that child showed to him the door. And hoped he did go now. That child hoped. Now, that Ghent gorilla did go now. Okay, but there was no more. That Ghent gorilla didn't go. Okay, instead he ate the door as well. Then that Ghent gorilla eat door. Okay, eat the door. See this picture. You can see this picture. This picture you will see the Ghent gorilla eat the door as well. Okay. Except for the knocker and the bell. After that he at last decided to go. Who invited him? I did like to know. See here, instead when that Ghent gorilla eat complete things, that time child showed to him door. Okay, but there was no more. Then a Ghent gorilla ate the door as well. Then except for the knocker and bell. Knocker means kind of a metal, means chilika. Okay, maneya chilika matta bell anna bitte ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡೋರ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಿಂದು ಹಾಕ್ತೈತಿ. After that he at last decided to go. Then when that giant gorilla ate the door, then decided to go. Then he decided to go. Who invite him? That child finally and they asked, who invite him? I did like to know. I did like to know who invite him. Who invited that giant gorilla? I did like to know. Okay, now in this poem completed. Okay, now in this poem completed. I hope all of you understood this poem. Okay. Next class we will start the grammar part, communicative English grammar. Okay, first one, the use of V1. V1 means verb. Okay, verb 1. Okay, see you students in this class. Means today we will learn a gate poem. We will complete this poem. We will discuss about the gate gorilla. Okay, one of the gate gorilla. That gate gorilla came to tea and throw the kitchen wall, and then that gate gorilla took the 6 chairs and sit to all. Okay, sit him all. Okay, then that gate gorilla eat the door, eat the all things in hotel, and next that gate gorilla eat the door as well, only except for the knocker and bell. Then that gate gorilla decided to go. So the child asked to question, who invite him? I did like to know. Yes, who invite him? Who invite this gate gorilla? I like did know. I did like know. Okay. Okay, now I hope all of you understood this poem. So next class we will go to grammar part. Okay, thank you one and all. We will meet next class.